To add your EBT Snap card to the Meijer app, start by opening the Meijer app on your mobile device. If you do not have the app, download it from the App Store and create an account or log in if you already have one. Once you are logged in, navigate to the menu and select the option that says Payment Methods or Add Payment Method. This will take you to a screen where you can add a new payment method. Select the option to add an EBT card and choose your state from the list provided. You will then be prompted to enter your EBT card information, including the card number and expiration date. Make sure to enter the information carefully and accurately to avoid any errors. You may also be asked to create a PIN for your EBT card, which will be used to verify your identity when making purchases. After entering your EBT card information, you will need to verify your card by answering a series of security questions or by receiving a verification code via email or text message. Once your card is verified, you can use it to make purchases through the Meijer app. When using your EBT card through the app, make sure to select the EBT payment option at checkout and enter your PIN to complete the transaction. You can also track your EBT balance and transaction history through the app, making it easy to manage your benefits. It is also important to note that not all items are eligible for purchase with an EBT card, so make sure to check the eligibility of items before making a purchase. Additionally, some states may have specific rules or restrictions on using EBT cards for online purchases, so be sure to check with your state's EBT program for more information. By following these steps, you can easily add your EBT Snap card to the Meijer app and start making purchases online. Remember to always keep your EBT card information and PIN secure to avoid any unauthorized transactions.